welcome back to Stella's recipe. I guess a lot of people these days stay at home and cook by themselves because of coronavirus. So what do you usually have when you stay at home all day long? I usually make fire noodle because I don't want to have the same side dishes and steamed rice for every meal. Fire noodle is notorious for its spiciness, but you can control the level of spiciness by cooking in different recipes. So if you're ready, let's get started. First thing I like to do is a corn cheese fire noodle. Put 2 cups of water in a pot and boil this in a medium heat. When water starts boiling, put a fire noodle inside. I'll let them simmer for 3 minutes. Take half cup of broth out of the pot and drain the water. Put half cup of broth. Put a fire noodle sauce and fire noodle flake. Stir them all together for 3 minutes on a low heat. Place them on a dish. Put a sliced cheese on top. Put 30 grams of corn. Sprinkle a parsley on top. The melted cheese on top will give you a new flavor to a fire noodle. If you love spicy food, you should try this recipe because this is the spiciest one. And then let's move on to Jjapaghetti. Crush 1 egg in a bowl. Brush olive oil on the surface of the ladle. Put them on a water and place an egg inside. Keep the heat to low. Don't make it boiled because we're going to make a poached egg. When they're almost done, immerse them with the water. It took me about 10 minutes, but you can substitute them with a sunny side up. Put 3 cups of water and boil them. Put a noodle from Jjapaghetti and fire noodle. Put a flake of Jjapaghetti. Boil this in a medium heat for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Take half cup of broth from the pot. Drain the water. Put half cup of broth. Put a fire noodle sauce and Jjapaghetti sauce. Stir them all together for 2 more minutes in a low heat. When you see all water is dried up, it is time to turn off the heat. Put a noodle in a bowl. Sprinkle 15 grams of scallion. Put a poached egg on top. Sprinkle a fire noodle flake on it. This is a spicy version of Jjapaghetti, so if you are a huge fan of Jjapaghetti, you should definitely try this one. Let's move on to a fire Napolitan. Put 1 spoon of oil. Put 100 grams of sausage. Put 80 grams of paprika. Put 80 grams of onion. Put a pinch of salt and pepper. Stir them in a medium heat for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Leave them on the side. Put 2 cups of water. Put a fire noodle and boil this for 3 minutes in a medium heat. Take half a cup of broth and drain the water. Put half cup of broth in a pan. Put a fire noodle. Put a fire noodle sauce. Put 1/4 cup of tomato paste. Stir them in a medium heat for 4 minutes. Place them on a dish. Sprinkle a Parmesan cheese on top. It is the least spicy one. If this is first time having a fire noodle, this is the one for you. Thank you for watching today's video and hope you subscribe this channel for more interesting recipes. Don't forget to hashtag my recipes and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.